This is a EuraMobil Profila 720 EB motorhome. This will cost €100,000. This is 741 centimeters long, 232 wide, it's a height of 286 and €100,000. I think I said that. Notice first of all, it comes with a double floor. The double floor is not as deep as it is in some of its competitors, but it is still a double floor. No, it isn't particularly deep. That's about what, 15 centimeters or thereabouts. It'll still though have the benefits that you'll get from having a double floor. Although personally, I would prefer one with the like in Carthago or Hymer, which is really deep because it allows you to get more storage in. This van has this absolutely amazing area here though. Enormous table, very attractive in its layout. Coming back here to the kitchen, we've got the sink, and we've got here our 2 burners. You may think for 100k I'd rather have 3 burners, but at the end of the day, the position it's in is quite difficult to use. Maybe 3, I think. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you think differently. Here's a problem. You've got to reach over here to put your finger in there to get that to drop down, which is, I think it'd be better here or in the middle. Anyway, that's my opinion. There you go. Have a look at the sink, and there's the tap to it. Under the kitchen block, of course, we've got plenty of storage with this slides out like that. Oh, isn't that nice? Get sort of stuff in there, and of course the storage all the way around looks like this. That's what it looks like looking back. This is a vehicle for 2 persons. So we've got 2 skylights in the roof, and in the EuraMobil the skylights open really easy with a push of one finger, and it goes up. Part of the kitchen includes this, which is the Thetford fridge, freezer, and up here there's an oven as well. Well, it's not an oven really, it's more of a grill. It's not big enough to, is that big enough to be called an oven? Look, it's like this big. I don't know. Well, I suppose you could get a chicken in there. Maybe it is an oven. Separate toilet and shower, and there we have that's the shower, and a bar up there so you can hang your wet clothes. And in here we'll find the toilet. Close the door there. There's the toilet. Lots of space in here, and coming out around here, nice big bedroom, German layout. We've got windows at both sides. We have got storage under here, and that is quite a lot of storage at that. And here we've also got storage as well. Step up, and what's handy about this is you can sort of see your way into the garage. What is not handy is how you actually use it. I haven't worked this one out. I always thought this is like a rubbish, not a rubbish chute, a laundry chute. So you'll put your laundry bag down the bottom, then you throw it down here. That's how I envisage it. Or maybe it's just a way for your pet snake to get in and out of the garage. Don't know. Haven't worked that one out yet. This here will come forward. And then we've got this bit here, which should fit in there. What's it going this way? Sorry, I put the and again the wrong way. Here it goes in this way. There we go. Goes in like that, and somewhere there'll be a ladder. You know, put that up there like that so you can have a good look at it. It gives you a really big bed. In fact, you could even stand on this and now, I know that EuraMobil is not particularly popular on this channel because I do know brands people like. I think I always recommend to people to buy, rather than buy something new, to look for a classic vehicle. And so instead of buying something like an old a new Benimar, for example, for argument's sake, get a used EuraMobil. It's manufactured by the same company. And if you get a classic vehicle, then I personally feel it's going to last a bit longer, even though the new one might have a 10 years head start on it, or rather be 10 years younger. that's how I feel. So I feel that EuraMobil is one of those companies which I would recommend for buying classes. You've got Hymer, you've got Carthago, Frankia. These are all brands which I think do have something which personally appeals to me. Anyway, that's me personally. Others may disagree and may say, oh, well, that's a load of rubbish, that company or that one there. In some of these companies, I do feel that in some of the newer products, and Frankia stands out for this, not the liners, but some of their campervans, or even some of their other motorhomes, I feel I certainly, I'm trying to word this carefully. Put it this, I wouldn't necessarily get one myself, okay? Unless somebody offered it to me, of course. Really lovely upholstery. Anyway, in this, let's have a look on the back. Profila has been is now available also on the Mercedes chassis as well. It costs about 25,000 more, something along those lines. This is the size of the garage. It's absolutely enormous. We've got storage on the right. I'll take you around the back. There's a door on this side as well. I don't know why that door doesn't go down. There's probably some infrastructure in there somewhere. That might be the reason why. And coming down a bit further here, this is where the gas goes. The gas canisters, I can't open it. And oh, look at that. So that's an outdoor shower. That's odd place to put it, but anyway, okay. You can only expect that somewhere near the garage. Anyway, there might be a reason for it. Water goes in there. Diesel goes in there. So I'm at Caravan Salon. This is the first day. This is what's called the preview day. If you want to come in today, then it costs more money. Of course, if what you could do is just ask one of the exhibitors to give you a ticket for the preview day, and you don't have to pay for it. So there's fewer people here today than is normal. That's why I was able to sort of do a 7-minute video inside that vehicle without getting disturbed, which in itself is not really something which is likely to happen on other days. For the moment, from me, thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Upload every day at 21:15 my time, Central European time. I'm based in Poland and in Germany. But for the moment, from me in Germany, bye for now, and thanks for watching.